Hi everyone, Shri here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a free and open source application called Handbrake to compress video files. This is the website for Handbrake. You will see the address on the screen. Side note, whenever possible, try to directly type in the address or URL into your internet browser. Avoid searching for applications because you could end up downloading malware, spyware, ransomware infected versions of an application, and that's certainly not good for you. I'm going to assume that you have downloaded and installed the application. When you first run the application, this is the interface that you see. Before I go any further, I want to show you two things under Preferences. One, if you already have a media player application, like VLC in my case, make sure that Handbrake has recognized that in this section under General, the path to media player. The advantage of this is that when you're working with a video in Handbrake, you can actually play the video from within Handbrake without having to go to another application. The other thing that I want to point out is that under the video section, make sure that if you have a dedicated video graphics card, Handbrake has recognized it. In my case, I have an NVIDIA video card, and Handbrake has already checked that box. What this means is that if you have a dedicated video card, then Handbrake is going to use that video card to do your video processing, which is going to make the whole process faster than simply relying on your processor, which is the CPU and your memory. So back to the interface, you can select a video file in a few ways. One, you can just directly go to File, Open, and go select the video file, or you can drag and drop it into this section right here. Today, for this demo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just use one of my own videos. It's not really big, but I just want to show you the process. So this right here is a video that I've created previously. You can see it's 452 megabytes in size, not a huge one. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop it here. And yeah, not the greatest look right there, but you can see how I can actually preview the different screen. And it's very possible that I've already compressed this video, but let's see what happens. I'm going to use the very fast 1080p. So instead of the default fast, I'm going to use the very fast. And I'm going to click Start Encode. And the way I've done it is I'm actually putting the compressed file. And you can see as soon as I hit Start Encode, the file appeared right there, right below it. Okay. And here on the screen, you'll also see how long it's going to take to actually compress the video file. Now, in this case, because it's a fairly small file, it's going to take less than 10 seconds to finish, which makes it easy for our demo because I can show you the end result. And it's almost done. And when it's done, we'll actually see the final file size. Now that the process is completed, you can see that the original file is 452 or 442 on the file on the computer, and this one is 82. And you can see that's a sizable reduction. Now the final test is the quality. Let's run the original one first. Hey everyone, I was originally going to write a post, then I got lazy. All right, I don't know how much I want to see my big face on the video. Now let's run the compressed. Hey everyone, I was originally going to... As you could see from both those videos, between the original, that was 440 plus megabytes in size, and the compressed one, which was roughly 82 megabytes in size, there was so little difference in the quality. And that's the beauty of Handbrake. I pray this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Take care.